welcome to Nan's Chinese class. Today we talk about HSK1 lesson 6. Okay, we see about this picture and check about these Chinese phrases. Okay, the first one is 写汉字, 写 to write. 汉字 is Chinese character. Yes, and this have maybe teacher and the student. They write Chinese character in the blackboard. And yes, this is true. 写汉字 to write Chinese characters. Okay, this one is true. Next one, this one, we check about this one. This one have beef. And beef always Western food. This one is 中国菜. 中国菜 is Chinese food. And this one is beef. We always say Western food. Western food, we always say 西餐. 西餐, that means Western food. Okay, 西餐. So 中国菜, no. This is a force. Okay, this one is a force. It's 西餐. Okay, we say 西餐. The next one, this one is 妈妈. Mama is mother. Okay, we just check about this picture. Daughter, 女儿. Okay, we have 女儿. Daughter, 女儿. And have 爸爸. Father, we say 爸爸. And but this picture, we cannot find mother, mama. So this one is a force. Okay, we cannot find the mama. Okay, this one is 做, to do something. 中国菜. 做中国菜. Just cook Chinese food. Yes, no problem. Because you use the 中国, okay, this is 锅. Okay, this one we just say 锅, Chinese food. We always use the 锅. Okay, this 锅. 锅, right? And this one, yes, just like to cook Chinese food. So we say 做中国菜. Yes, this one is true. 对. The last one is 说汉语. 说 to speak, to talk. 汉语 Chinese. To speak Chinese, we say 说汉语. We always can say 说中文. 说中文. Okay. 说中文 and 说汉语. They have the same meaning, just to speak Chinese. Okay. And these two people, yes, maybe they are Chinese. So they 说汉语, no problem. Yes. And this one is true. Okay, that's about HSK1 lesson 6 phrases. Okay, yes, I will share today's link below. Please check about it and practice by yourself. Don't forget my Chinese channel. See you soon. Bye. Hello, welcome to Nancy Chinese class. Today we just talk about the HSK1 lesson 6. Okay, that's about the dialogue. Okay, we just check about this sentence. The first one we see 她不会做. And this 她, that means she, is about a female. 不会 cannot, and 做 to do something. And 不会 cannot and always use the ordinary question. Just 会什么什么吗 to ask about the question. Okay, I write here. Just always the question we need to find this keyword. Okay, 会什么什么吗 right? And we notice this verb is 做 to do something. And always maybe just this question is 会做什么什么吗 can do something. Just ask about this question, right? Okay, we just check the answer. And the A, we just find the 会写什么什么吗写 that this verb is to write. And 怎么写 how to write. And this one 会做什么什么吗 can do something. And this one is 会说 can speak. And 会说什么什么吗 Okay, and we just know this one is 会做什么什么吗 can do something, right? 会做什么什么吗？Okay, we just check A, B, C, D. Okay, just C 啊，会做什么什么吗 is the correct answer. And this dialogue is 你妈妈会做中国菜吗？Just can your mother cook do Chinese food? Just ask about this question. But the answer 她 yes used this female 她不会做 okay is the answer. So this correct answer we choose the C. C is the correct answer. Okay, the next one. The next one is about this one. We just check about this sentence. 对不起 Yes, 对不起 just sorry. Sorry. 这个汉字 okay, Chinese character. 我会读 I can read. 不会写 cannot write. Okay, because 对不起 just say sorry. And this one just they talk about the 汉字 Chinese character. Okay, we just check about the answer A, B, C, D. Which one just talk about the same thing about the 汉字？B. 你会写汉字吗？Can you write a Chinese character? Just the 汉字。And also have D. 这个汉字怎么写？And this one B. 会写什么什么吗 is ordinary question. We always use the 会 and 不会 can or cannot to ask about a question. And D. 这个汉字怎么写 how to write is the special question. We cannot just say, I can, I cannot. No, we cannot use this simple ways to answer about it. So this one, the correct answer is D. This dialogue is 这个汉字怎么写 Okay, this Chinese character, how to write about this Chinese character, the question. And the answer is 对不起 sorry. 这个汉字我会读 This Chinese character I can read. 不会写 cannot write to answer about it. And this is about the correct answer D. Okay, the next one. Next one, this sentence is 会李老师是中国人 Okay, and the 会 yes is just say can I can, but this always use the ordinary question just 会什么什么吗 to ask about the question can and to ask about the question, right? And we just check about the A, B, C, D. A. 你会写汉字吗？你 always use the 我 to answer the question. But 写汉字 to write. But this one just talk about 中国人. Maybe we need to find something about this 中国人. Maybe they have something about this one. And they just say 李老师. Okay, maybe we need to find something they talk about same people. But B, we just find, okay, 李老师, yes. They just talk about same people, 李老师。李老师会说汉语吗？And yes, 会什么什么吗 is ordinary question. We can use the 会 and the 不会 to answer about it. So this correct answer is B. And this dialogue is 李老师会说汉语吗 Can teacher Li speak Chinese? And the answer is 会 Yes. 李老师是中国人 Okay, this just talk about reason. Because teacher Li is a Chinese, so he can speak Chinese, right? Okay, this about the correct answer. We choose the B. Okay, next one. Okay, this sentence is 我会说汉语 I can speak Chinese. 不会写汉字。I cannot write a Chinese character. Okay, and this sentence choose the 会 and 不会. But this subjective is 我, and we just notice 我 answer. We always use the 你 to ask about questions. Just like what's your name? The answer is my name is. Yes, and how old are you? And I am. Just like English. And we use the 你 to ask a question, but the answer is 我. Okay, we just check A, B, C, D. Yeah, A just 你妈妈 your mother, and B 这个汉字 this Chinese character, and C 李老师 teacher Li, and D 你 okay, because D is the correct answer. And this dialogue is 你会写汉字吗? Can you write a Chinese character? And the answer is 我会说汉语 I can speak Chinese. 不会写汉字 I cannot write Chinese character. Okay, and the correct answer is D. Okay, that's about today's lesson. Don't forget to subscribe my Chinese channel. I will share today's link to below. Please check it, and you can practice it by yourself. Okay, see you soon. Bye. Hello, welcome to Nancy Chinese class. Today we just talk about HSK1 lesson 6. Okay, that's about 23 to 26. Okay, we just read about it. And 23我会写我的汉语名字 Okay, but we just to choose the correct Chinese character fill in these blanks. And this sentence, no problem. I can write my Chinese name, right? But if we want to fill Chinese character in this one, we can choose the say, I cannot, because I can notice two Chinese characters, but I can is just the 会, only one Chinese character. So we can say 我不会写我的汉语名字. Okay, and this one, right? We choose the 不. But when you pronounce it, it's 不, because this 不 have two different pronunciation. Always we pronounce it 不. And sometimes we change pronunciation is 不. Just this one, we notice 会 is the first sound. And 不 also is the first sound. Just this time, we change it the first sound, just the second sound. Because first sound plus first sound, just the 不 is difficult to pronounce it. We cannot say 不会. It's difficult to pronounce it. And this time, we just say 不会. Not choose this one. We just change about this one. 不会。我不会写我的汉语名字 I cannot write my Chinese name. Okay? And 24你做中国菜吗？中国菜 Chinese dishes. Okay? And 吗 at the end of sentence, that means ordinary question. Okay? We can choose the 会什么什么吗 Can you? Okay. Just to ask an ordinary question. And the answer, we always say 会 I can or 不会 I cannot to answer about it. So this one we can say 你会做中国菜吗 Can you cook Chinese food? Okay, this 做 that means to do something. Okay, next one. 我朋友 my friend. My friend will say 我的朋友，我的朋友。But always we just say 我朋友 is a simple way 我的朋友。And this one, my friend 会说汉语 can speak Chinese. 他的汉语 he's Chinese. Okay, and this one just his Chinese language. Very good, we say 很好. And this 很 that means too much, very much. Okay, we always say 很好. And in Chinese, sometimes the how, we cannot just say only one Chinese character. We always say, oh, well done, very good, perfect. We say 很好, okay. And next one, okay, 老师 teacher. 这个 this is 汉字读 Okay, because ask 老师 and it's a question. Always ask a teacher a question. And how to read, we say 怎么读 And 怎么 is how. How to read. Okay, we have these phrases. We say 怎么读 Okay, and this is a question. Yes. Okay, 怎么读 and 怎么 fill in these blanks. Okay, that's about this lesson. Okay, I will share this link below. Please check about it. You can practice it by yourself. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my Chinese channel. See you soon. Bye. Hello, welcome to Nancy Chinese class. Today we just talk about HSK1 lesson 6. Okay, that's about 27 to 30. Okay, we read about this. First one, 你的中国朋友会做中国菜 Okay, at the end of this sentence, okay, and use the 会做 Okay, can do something. And the ordinary question, we always use the 吗 at the end of the sentence. Just 会做中国菜吗 And this question is just ask, can your Chinese friends cook Chinese food? Okay, and this one we just say, 你的中国朋友会做中国菜吗 Okay, we just notice this one, ordinary question. Can do something. 会做什么什么吗 Always to ask a question. Okay, 会做中国菜吗 Okay, and the next one, 我会说汉语 I can speak Chinese. And what about you? What about you? We always use the 你呢 你呢 Ask what about you? Okay, just what about you? We always use the 你呢 to ask about a question. The next one is 我妈妈 my mother and 朋友 friend. They all just say people. And this one just say my mother's friend. My mother's friend, we can say 我妈妈的朋友 And we use the 的 to say my mother's friend. Okay. 我妈妈的朋友会说汉语 My mother's friend can speak Chinese. Okay. And 说汉语 Okay, this one. 说汉语说中文 they have the same meaning. That means you can speak just speak Chinese. Okay, 说汉语 Okay, this one. We say 说汉语说中文 they have the same meaning. Okay, and the last one. 你同学是国人 Okay, we just notice this keyword 是什么什么人 Okay, we have this keyword is 是哪国人 to ask nationality. Okay, if we want to know Lucy's nationality, we just say Lucy 是哪国人 can become a question, right? And if we want to make a question easily, we need to remember about this keyword 是哪国人 Okay, that's about today's lesson. Okay, and I will share this link below. Please check it and practice it by yourself. Okay, don't forget to subscribe my Chinese channel. See you soon. Bye.